Hi, this is Dan from RX Sleeve. So in this video, it's a quick video. We're modifying a previous video that we made, and that previous video was regarding cleaning your product. So we want to be more in line with what the CDC says in light of what's going on now. So the change mainly is that we mentioned 50% alcohol. However, the CDC recommends 70% alcohol. So now we're saying 70%, and we made some changes. They're also saying use a third cup of bleach, mixed in with water, a gallon of water. We're still saying a half cup, so it's a bit more bleach. We do that because to be on the safe side, there's different types of bleaches out there. So a half cup, we say a little bit more with a gallon of water. Other than that, we're asked about our packaging. So this is the type of packaging that we ship in. We may have made a video on this. So it's a clear bag. Your clean product is put inside, and then we seal it. So we air seal it, and so it's tamper-proof, and it's clean inside the bag. But you're welcome to clean the product once you open it. You can clean it again. Hope that helps. Thanks. Hi, this is Dan from RX Sleeve. So we're going to go over cleaning your product. It's a simple question that I'm asked quite a bit, and I should have done a video a long time ago, but I didn't, so I'm doing it now. So how do I clean my product? Okay, so you can use a soft bar soap, lather it up, and clean your product with the lather, and then rinse it with hot water, cold water, lukewarm water, whatever you like. It won't hurt the product at all. So a bar of soap, mild soap, or you can use soap in liquid soap in a bottle. Same thing, lather it up, clean your product, rinse it with warm water, cold water, whatever you want, and you're done. Oh, but one thing, the soap should not have any pumice or any type of abrasive material. You don't want that. That might damage the product. So mild soap. If you want to disinfect your product, that's totally different. So if you want to disinfect it, there's two things that we recommend. You can purchase alcohol. There's usually come in 50% alcohol or 70% alcohol. So you can pour this on the product. You can pour it inside the internal hole of the product, and you can even dunk it and soak it in the alcohol for a while. And then when you're done, you can pat it dry. And I would recommend using the soap again and water to clean it. Another method is bleach. You can use household bleach, believe it or not. It won't harm the product, but you would want to put a cup of bleach, about a cup of bleach, and a gallon of water. So you want to use a gallon of water and a cup of household bleach. So you mix it together, and then you can soak the product in the bleach for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It's up to you. It won't harm the product. But again, same as with the alcohol, I would probably recommend using good old soap again and lather it up. Clean your product, wash it off, hot water, cold water, warm water, and pat it dry. And you're done. So that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Thank you.